This is stock number 152869, a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. Exterior color is white. Interior options, we have power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat with adjustable lumbar control, 4x4 control, hands-free voice controls, AC, AM/FM radio with CD player, auxiliary input, OnStar, gray cloth seats. This vehicle comes equipped with factory running board, 17-inch tires with alloy rim, roof rack, trailer tow package, plastic box liner. Rear interior options, we have power windows, fold down armrest with cup holder, split 60/40 bench seat, seats fold down. Once again, that stock number was 152869, a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. Exterior color is white.